Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Rockstar Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's Pizza Sim. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the area around his eyes first. So in the middle here, I'm just going to make a little dot, and then I'm going to draw one curve going out both sides. Okay, and then once you have that, we're going to come down. Same thing on both sides. And then now I'll draw in the eye. So on this one, I'm going to start with the one with the patch. So it's just going to be, it's almost like a rectangle, but it's kind of a little bit rounded on the sides. Okay, so that's the eye patch, and then I'm going to draw the other eye. So this one's just going to be a circle. And then for some detail on the eye, I'll draw one circle here on the bottom. Okay, and then from here, let's finish out the rest of the head here. So we're just gonna come out slightly, and then we're gonna go up. Again, same thing on both sides. And then we're just gonna draw one big curve, kind of flans out on the top. The top of his head. Okay, and then from here we can draw in, it's got some eyebrows right here. So the eyebrow, you can just draw one line like this and then come out. So it's very simple. So one line and then just go out. And then let's finish up the eye patch here. So the eye patch, it's gonna be black, so that's why it's just gonna go over these lines right here. So right here, just gonna go up. Okay, and on the side here, come across. And then just let me shade this in real quick so that it doesn't look so messy. So I'm just gonna make it all black. So if you're not gonna shade it in, then you have to erase out those lines. This will help clean it all up. Okay, so that's the eye patch, and let's finish up the whole head first before we draw in the ears. So on the side here, we're gonna come out. Okay, so it's quite a bit it comes out. And then we're gonna curve it back in, just make a little turn, come in, back to around here. And then we're gonna draw one line across. Let's close everything off. And then now for his snout here, just come down the middle. I'm gonna draw his nose. So again, it's almost like a little rectangle, but just rounded on the corners. And then in the center, we're just gonna draw one line down. And now to finish up the snout detail here on the top here, just come out, just curve it down. So come out all the way past the eye and just kind of curve it down the side. And then we can add in, he's got some dots here. 4 dots. And then let's see, for his mouth here, start with his teeth. So I'm just gonna draw 2 big ones in the middle here, and then just gonna draw, let's see how many I can draw. One here, 1, 2, 3. I'll just draw 3. So 1, and then 2 smaller ones. So make sure you don't go past this line here. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna start here. I'm gonna draw one curve all the way down. This is gonna be the lower lip. And then for the outside of the lower lip, we're just gonna draw another line going all the way around it. So this part's easy. And then once we have that, now we can draw in the teeth. So right here on each side, drawing 2 small ones, and then this one is slightly bigger, and then now it's gonna be smaller teeth. I'm just gonna draw, I'll just draw 3. So if you have room, you can draw more, but I don't have a lot of room with this thick Sharpie. Okay, so that's the face, and now we can finish up the top. So on the side here, you can just go out and draw like a little rectangle. And now for his ear, so it's just gonna be one curve like this, and then just kind of go out. Okay, so just draw one curve on the base, and just go out and come back in. And then on the inside, it's gonna be, just draw the same line, same curve. Okay, and then some hair right here in the middle. So 1, 2, and one more on this side. Okay, and let me, just let me shade this in real quick so that, since I shade in the eye patch, maybe even the nose will look a lot better. Okay, so that's the head. So now let's go down to the body here. So he's holding an accordion and we have to draw that first. So right in the middle, just kind of come down slightly. Let's draw one section, one little angle, and then we're gonna go out to right about here. So I'm just gonna draw 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and so on this side, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then here, we're gonna slant it down. And then here, in the middle right here, we're gonna come down. Just draw one little angle going down this time. And then I'm gonna draw 3 more all the way to the edge. So 1, 2, 3. And on this side, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this one's a little bit wider. Okay, and then whatever you have here, so on the inside, we're just gonna connect those lines. All right, so if your lines don't match up, it's okay as long as you have some lines in there. Okay, so now let's draw in the rest of the accordion. So on this side here, we're just gonna draw one rectangle. And then on this side here, we're gonna draw a smaller rectangle. So this is where the keys are gonna be. So let's start on this side. So right here, we're gonna come out, come down, leave a little bit of space, and draw a rectangle in here. So this is actually gonna be his fingers. And then for his fingers, we're gonna just draw in some lines right here. And then the piano keys, the little, well, I guess we can't call it piano keys, but accordion keys. So this is gonna be one bar. Just gonna draw in maybe like 3. Just keep it simple. And then draw in some lines in between. Okay, so it's a lot of little small detail. You can simplify it if you want. All right, so now let's draw on the other side. So he's got a claw here, right? That little hook. So we're just gonna draw a very long egg shape. And then on the side here, just draw another rectangle. And then this is actually gonna be the round part of the hook on his hand. So it's a little bit hard to see. All right, so once you have all of this, now we can draw in the body. So we're just gonna draw 2 lines like this. And then here's his shoulder for this hand here. So I'm just gonna draw one curve. And then on this side, from here, this is gonna be his lower arm. I know it's a little bit weird. Just draw one curve like this, and here's his upper arm, shoulder. Just finish that out. It's a little strange because the arm's coming forward, so it's a little bit more complicated. All right, and then now let's draw in the body here. So on the bottom, we're just gonna draw one curve right below the accordion. And then for his legs are actually really easy to draw. So we're gonna come down, curve this way, and then we're gonna draw for his knee, we're gonna go this way. All right, so same thing on the other side. Come down, curve up, and then curve down. And then on this side, we're gonna draw this side first since he still has his leg. Okay, so we're gonna come another bracket, close it off, and then we're gonna come down, all the way down, just close it off on the bottom flat. And then for his toes, we're gonna come across and just come down. And then once you have that, we're just gonna divide it up with curves going this way. right? And then for his other leg, this is just gonna be a stump. So smaller bracket, close it off, one rectangle, and then we just come down to however long you made the other foot, the other leg. So we're just gonna come down and just close it off with a flat line. And then lastly, I almost forgot, it's got a little star here, but we can't see the whole star. So you can just draw in bracket like this, and in the middle, yeah, it gets a little messy. Alright, so that's it for this Rockstar Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's Pizza Sim. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.